Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we will continue from the last lesson about excretion and defecation. For today, we will learn about organs and their product of excretion, iaitu jenis-jenis organ badan manusia dan bahan-bahan buangan yang tidak diperlukan oleh badan. Okay, product of excretion, which we learn for last lesson. Excretion, what is the meaning of excretion? Is the removal of waste product from our body. Okay, now we look the organs and the product of excretion. The first one is skin. Okay, skin will excrete sweat. Okay, di mana kulit, skin is kulit, dia akan menyingkirkan sweat, peluh. Skin will excrete sweat. Kulit akan menyingkirkan peluh. Okay, and then number 2 is lungs. Lungs will excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, two products, carbon dioxide and water vapor, di mana paru-paru akan menyingkirkan karbon dioksida dan wap air. And then number 3 is kidney. Okay, this one is kidney ataupun buah pinggang. Okay, kidney will excrete urine. Okay, kidney will excrete urine. Kidney itu buah pinggang akan menyingkirkan air kencing. Okay, in excretion there are 3 type of organ: skin, lungs and kidney. Organ and what is their product? Skin, it will excrete sweat. Lung will excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor. Then the last one, kidney, will excrete urine. Okay, you can look this picture in your textbook page 38. And now what about defecation? You have learned the meaning of defecation from the last lesson. Okay, defecation, what is the meaning of defecation? The removal of feces through anus. Okay, penyingkiran tinja ataupun najis melalui anus. Okay, dubur, melalui dubur. Okay, actually what is feces? Okay, feces is the undigested foods which become feces and removed through anus. Okay, feces ni, tinja ni adalah makanan yang tidak dihadam. Okay, undigested foods. Okay, kemudian dia menjadi tinja and removed through anus, dan dikeluarkan daripada melalui dubur. Okay, contohnya awak makan nasi. Okay, you eat food, you eat chicken, you eat fried meat. Okay, macam-macam awak makan. Okay, makanan tu bila masuk dalam perut, kemudian dia akan proses, perut akan proses, dia akan serap semua zat-zat yang ada dalam makanan tu. Okay, it will absorb all the vitamin from the food, and then sisa-sisanya yang tak diperlukan itulah dinamakan undigested food. Dah tak boleh nak proses lagi makanan tu. Okay, dah habis semua, kemudian dia akan keluarkan makanan tersebut dah jadi kita panggil dia feces ataupun tinja. Okay, contohnya macam awak makan tebu. Okay, tebu, kita makan tebu, kita akan kunyah tebu. Kunyah tebu. Okay, kita akan minum dia punya air dia, kemudian kita buang dia punya hampas tu. Okay, yang tak diperlukan kita buang. That's for example. Okay, call it undigested food, makanan yang tidak dihadam oleh usus, kemudian kita keluarkan, okay, melalui dubur, okay, or anus. Okay, undigested food. Okay, take a look at the picture here. You can turn your textbook page 39. Okay, bila kita makan makanan tu, okay, makanan tersebut akan masuk dalam perut, and then makanan tersebut akan masuk melalui ke small intestine. Okey. Dia masuk dalam usus kecil. Dekat dalam usus kecil ni dia akan serap semua zat-zat makanan tersebut, dia akan serap. Ada vitamin-vitamin apa, okey, dia akan serap. Small intestine, okey, usus kecil. And then bila dia dah serap tu, undigested food, makanan yang tak boleh dihadam lagi, dia akan buang. Dia akan keluarkan, okey, dia akan menjadi feces, okey, melalui mana? Okey, ini dia akan keluar melalui sini. Okey, najis awak tu akan keluar melalui sini, bergerak melalui sini, okey, ataupun kita panggil dia colon, okey, usus besar. Okey, daripada usus kecil dia akan melalui usus besar, okey, bergerak, okey. Ini gambar dia. Okey, dia akan keluar melalui anus ataupun dubur. Keluar awak pun buang. Okey, kita tak perlukan ni. Okey. This is we call it undigested food. Okey. Feces. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, what I want you to do for today, the task for today, okay, complete the table below. Okay, you write down the human organ. Okay, human organ which we have learned today. Okay, what is human organ? In excretion. First one, what are lungs, kidney, skin, and product of excretion. Carbon dioxide and water vapor. Kidney is urine. Write down urine. And then the last one, skin, is sweat. Okay, thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will meet again at the next class. Bye.